Hello everyone. Today I will talk about Onocoy. It is GNSS projects similar like GNet, but different in a few things. Let's say the token is not yet live, but we expect it to be live by the end of June or beginning of July this year. For now, there is about 5,000 miners. Of that number, around 4,200 is online. So what can you earn? We earn on a token for now Bono, but when we go live, it will be Ono, and the maximum you can get is 6.34. I'll show you. So if you want to place somewhere a miner, okay, let's I found this one. Let's compare, show you what is it about. So the base reward is in with the location scale, quality scale, and availability scale. Uh, it it counts as the final base reward scale. Then you get the rewards. Let's say this one has pretty good, so almost the max, around 5 and 41, because let's say the most important is this circle of 15 kilometers. If there are many miners, you will not get big earnings. But when we go further away, here this location scale increases. So here decreases if there are more miners, and this for from 15 to 50, uh, it is higher. It would be good if you don't have anybody within 50 kilometers. So that's the most uh, let's say it's the best if you don't have. So let's see what else do we have here. Here we have a cluster map. So here we can switch from coverage map to cluster map and opportunity map. Here you have you see um, also the numbers of stations. Also here is opportunity map. It is a new option. You can see here where there is black, here is overcrowded, and it's not recommended to put a miner here. So when we go from opportunity, see a lot of miners here, so it would not be good to place a miner, let's say here. Let's check. Yeah, if I put maybe here, you see you will get only 11% of rewards. That's really a little. 0.70 bono per day. That's not good. So we want to place a miner where there are not many miners. Let's say, for example, here, not many. If you put it here, you will get 99.5 max daily reward. So that's really great, and you see the big improvement when you compare to the previous station. So that we want to, of course, we expect profit, we want to earn, we want to get back our investment pretty fast, and that's the way you can do it. Let's see if there is something interesting in the white paper. So on their site, onocoy.com, you can see a white paper. Here you have some you have everything explained. If you maybe don't understand, if you don't know, let's check. If I see something interesting, I'll tell you. Here it says that the halving will be every 4 years. So we'll see. That would be good comparing to other crypto projects. So 4 years is pretty good. Here you can see what do you get in for rewards. So daily base reward, quality scale, availability scale, location scale. This is these three last on the right side. Early mover boost, usage reward, and pro reward are not active yet. Maybe this will be active when the token goes live. So here you see their prediction in let's say 9 years. What do they think it will be like with Dono token? Here it says that the initially set to reward a well-functioning miner is around $1,000 per year, which is pretty good. That's not bad. $1,000 per year is pretty good. Here you have tokenomics. And a lot of other, maybe not so important. Also there are some important, but also there are some not important things. Here you can see how the scale factor is calculated, so which satellites get the most. So the GPS PDS got the most for earnings for the scale factor, and these three, you see how much. Also, I would recommend you to buy this miner on Onolink shop. I think on this site it's the cheapest. Here is the cheapest. Also, you can use my code. I'll show you now. Let's say we put Onolink miner, antenna, and cable in cart, view cart, and here have a coupon. See here, you put my code Ether Ive, apply. See, you get 10% discount. So on this price of 495 euro, you get 49.50 euro of discount. So this is a EU shop. They are based in Germany and sent from Germany. If you live in other countries, let's say in not in European Union, if you live in United States or some other country, you need to check about taxes and customs if you need to pay. But they are shipping worldwide. But just check if you need to pay something else. Okay, that would be that. If you have any questions, tell me what do you think about this project, what do you expect, and just feel free to ask me anything. Thanks for watching and see you some other time. Bye bye.